I am Cindy Williams Gutiérrez. I am happy to share this poem with you, Pandemic Triptych. The inspiration is a small place my husband and I have in the Methow Valley of Washington. It is our refuge. And in this place, my refuge is a glorious willow that grows in our meadow. My favorite time of day in late spring is the evening when the light softens through the trees. Pandemic Triptych. 1. So much lace at this time of day. Light filters through the greening willow, the white fuzz of caterpillar-shaped pods of a neighboring tree, across filigreed blades of grass. And the crush of it, the sound lace makes when clutched by a hand, or wind through aspen and spruce. This shush, as if it were time to silence our mouths, our minds, as if these hours were sacred. Evening in mid-May, only birdsong and a hairy woodpecker, his tap-tap-tapping on the dead aspen, his totem, his open home. 2. I tap my fingers on a Kindle Fire, read about North Carolina marshes where the crawdads sing, tap jigsaw puzzle pieces together to create a mountainscape like the ones my husband paints. Tap my feet in Zoomed Zumba classes, my electric piano keys to relearn Rachmaninoff's booming prelude. These are the tapping days. Eggshells on a bowl's rim for my immune-boosting breakfast. My hand on my Aussie pup's muscular flanks for my touch fix. Breath at my ribs with every full inhale. Against my spine with each slow exhale. 3. Breath occupies the news. It hovers between the lines, rattles beneath surging statistics, shakes in my sleep. Breath, vital as the throb in our chests, is under assault. We must wear masks, bandanas, scarves. No gatherings. I cannot be in your breathing presence. Outside, the moon swells. The dusk-lit sky pulses. A murmuration of swallows soaring, diving. Frogs croon. The grouse thumps. All my masks fall away. The world breathes through me.